Using templates is a great way to streamline your workflow and make your work life easier. With templates in TeamWave's projects, you no longer have to create a new project from scratch every time you start a new one. Instead, you can create a template that includes all the necessary elements for a particular project, such as tasks, activities, notes, and files. This way, you can save time and ensure consistency across your projects. Creating a new template is a straightforward process. You can start by clicking on the New Template button and filling in the details such as the name, team members, and the layout type if you want the tasks to be organized in a board view or a list view. You can also add optional information such as tags to keep your template organized. Once you have set up the template, you can start adding tasks, activities, notes, and files that are typically involved in the project. This ensures that when you start a new project based on this template, all the necessary elements are already in place, making it easier for you to manage your tasks. Another great feature of templates is that you can create a template from existing projects. This means you don't have to start from scratch every time you want to create a new template. Instead, you can select an existing project and a new template will be created with all the tasks, activities, notes, and files in the project already copied into the template. This option is especially helpful when you want to create a template for a project that you've already completed. Now, to create a new project using a template, simply click on the New Project button and select the template from the list. You can create as many templates as you need depending on the number of projects you work on regularly. Templates are a great way to ensure consistency in your work and improve your productivity.